a taco skillet. I'm just gonna turn my iron skillet to medium heat, grab my olive oil, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon in there. Put that away. And then I'm gonna add to it some garlic, and I'm gonna add some scallions. So I've divided my scallions into the white and light green parts and the dark green. The white light green is going to go in now, and the dark green is going to be part of our garnish. So give that a little stir, and then I'm going to add to that my green chilies, and then about a tablespoon of chili powder. All right, give that a stir. And then to this, I'm going to add frozen corn and my frozen spinach. And you don't even need to thaw them out. Just put them straight in the skillet. Now my roasted vegetables. I'm just going to give these a quick little chop. All right, and I'm going to add to this some beans. I've got black beans here in my colander. I rinsed them and drained them. Just about a cup of those. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Add my salt, some pepper. Now, the salsa. All right, a cup of salsa. All right, now the best part of this recipe is topping it with some cheese. Oh yeah. So I'm going to do about a cup of shredded cheddar on here. Oh yeah. And I'm going to top it with a lid. And we're just going to let that cheese melt. All right. So let's check on our cheese. Oh my gosh. How good does that look? Okay, let's garnish this up. We've got the dark green parts of our scallions, a little of this yogurt on there, a little hot sauce, my cilantro. So everybody can make their own taco here.
Yep.
Good?
Mmm.
I bet it's really hot.
Really hot too.
Yep.
Yep.
Well good.
Great use of leftovers.
I love that you get a little spice in there from the salsa and the hot sauce, the roasted veggies and the black beans. It kind of gets a little creamy together. Dinner's done. Nobody even knows that it was leftovers.